The B-1 Lancer is a four-engine, variable-sweep, folding-wing strategic bomber used by the United States Air Force. The B-1 Lancer is one of three strategic bombers serving in the United States Air Force fleet along with the B-2 Spirit and B-52 Stratofortress. The Rockwell B-1 Lancer was first developed in 1960 as a supersonic bomber with a speed of Mach 2. The B-1 Lancer is a variable-wing strategic bomber and is powered by four jet engines. The only country that operates this aircraft is the United States Air Force, which is currently still operating it and will continue to operate it until 2028 or 2030.